Hi and welcome. In this video, we're troubleshooting pump washing machines that won't drain. We want to help you avoid downtime waiting for an engineer. So watch this short video to see how you can resolve this issue with our quick and simple solution. I'll guide you through the steps to resolve the issue and get your machine back up and running. Before you begin, you'll need a shallow bowl to collect the water, and it will probably be a good idea to have a towel to hand too to wipe up any spillages. Most of our washing machines have a filter housing door on the front of the cabinet, either bottom right or bottom left. If your machine doesn't, give our helpline a call and we'll get a specialist out to assist you. But in most cases, you should see something like this at the base of your washer. Open the door. Inside, you'll find the filter and drain hose. Get the bowl positioned and then remove the plug. Once all the water has drained away, you can remove the filter. It's really easy to do so. Simply pull here. Give the filter a clean, removing any debris that has clogged it up. Then reinsert the filter and the plug. Now restart the washing machine and test to see if the problem still persists. If you still find that the washing machine is not working as it should be, then we'd recommend giving our helpline a call and we'll get an engineer out to see you. Thanks for watching.